If you keep explaining the same thing to AI over and over again, you are probably using it the hard way. Most people open a new chat, ask a question, get an answer, and then lose the context. Next week, they ask again. Then, they explain their business again, their audience again, their tone again, their goals again. That wastes time. A better way is to build an AI workspace. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI projects to organize your work, save context, and get better answers from tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. Welcome back to AI Alpha by Mario, where I explain simple AI tools and workflows that help you save time, save money, and make more out of your day with AI. Let's start simple. An AI project is like a folder for your work inside AI tools. Instead of having random chats everywhere, you create one space for one goal. For example, one project for your YouTube channel, one project for your business, one project for client work, one project for research, one project for learning. Beside that project, you keep the important context, your goals, your audience, your tone, your files, and your examples, your repeated prompts, your rules, and so on. This matters because AI works better when it has context. If you ask, write me a video script, you may get something generic. But if the AI already knows your channel, your audience, your tone, and your usual structure, the answer becomes much better. Use case number one, content creation. For a YouTube channel, you can create a project called, and then you put in your YouTube channel. Inside, add your channel description, audience, script style, title examples, thumbnail rules, and topics you cover. Then you can ask, give me 5 video ideas for beginners who want to save time and make money with AI, for example. Or write this script in my simple, practical style. Now you are not starting from zero every time. Use case number 2, business planning. If you run a business, create a project for your company. Add your offer, target customer, pricing, competitors, marketing ideas, and goals. Then ask, review this offer and tell me what is unclear. Or create a 7-day marketing plan based on my business. This is useful because the AI can respond with your business context instead of generic advice. Use case number 3, client work. If you are a freelancer, agency owner, consultant, or coach, create one project per client. Add notes, goals, previous messages, brand guidelines, and deliverables. 10. Use AI to summarize calls, draft proposals, create reports, or prepare next steps. But be careful with private client data. Only upload information you are allowed to use and check the privacy settings of the tool first. Use case number 4, research. If you are researching a topic, do not keep everything in random chats. Create a search project. Add articles, notes, links, summaries, and questions. Then ask, what are the main patterns? Or what should I verify before making a decision? Claude projects, for example, has features that help work with project knowledge, and tools like ChatGPT and Gemini also have ways to organize context depending on the version and plan. The exact names change, but the workflow is the same. Now, here is how to build a good AI workspace. Step 1, choose one area. Do not organize your whole life at once. Start with one project. Maybe your YouTube channel, maybe your business, maybe one client portfolio. Step 2, add a simple instruction file. Right, here's what this project is for. Here's my audience, here's my tone. Here is what good output looks like. Here is what to avoid. Step 3. Add examples. AI learns your style better from examples. Add a good script, a good email, a good proposal, or a good content post. Step 4. Save useful prompts. If a prompt works, keep it in the project. Do not reinvent it every time. Step 5. Review and clean it. If the project becomes messy, remove old files and update the instructions. The big idea is this: AI is more useful when it has memory and structure. Random chats give random results. Organized projects give better results. So if you want AI to actually save time, stop using it like a one-time search box. Build a workspace. Give it context. Save your best prompts and use it repeatedly for real work. If this helped, subscribe to AI Alpha by Mario for simple AI tools and workflows every single day. Leave a comment with the first AI workspace you would build. YouTube, business, client work, research, or learning. I'll use the best comments for future videos. And if you want to go deeper on all of this, I run a community called AI University. Link is in the description and the pinned comment.